This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening to all students. Join the session. Today is the last session for the class. Tomorrow will be the exam. Okay, so we'll start the session here. One student has written assignment, has done no issues. However, you have submitted assignments. Thank you for everyone. You have joined this longer sessions and all. We have completed a lot of topics. You have understood this. You have submitted on time all the assignments. That's very good. Okay. So today, as it is the last sessions, last two classes, we have done revision. If you have any queries and doubts related to SAP today, you can clarify. And I'm going to send one feedback link that also you can fill and submit students. I'll send it at 7 o'clock today. That is the last class feedback. How is your experience about this classes? So exam will be MCQs. So if you have any doubts, if you want to share screen, you can share it today. So few questions I want to ask you as a like revisions. As it will be MCQ questions, I want to ask you few questions related to SAP. What is the full form of SAP students? You can unmute yourself and you can answer me.
Ma'am, it is system application and
System
products and
applications
data
and products in
processing.
data processing.
Okay, very good. So few questions I'll ask you students like I'm going to share the screen. So without sharing it won't be good. So I'll share the screen. And what is the T code like for company? Define company. Define company. What is the T code for this? It's a very important point. Few short questions I'm going to ask like a quiz. I have sent one T code set that is OX15 for define company. Acha, one more thing, which currency we are using for tally? For the Indian currency, which is the default currency?
INR.
Yes, rupees. Okay. So next, what is the fiscal year variant for the Indian accounting standard?
V3.
V3, no?
Excuse
Yes.
me, ma'am.
Okay, fine. What is our financial year? What's the durations?
Ma'am, I
Yes,
had a
tell
doubt in
me.
fiscal year variation.
Yes, tell me. Any doubts is there?
Ma'am,
Anything
for
you want
my
to ask?
software, the fiscal year variant is V7. Is that all right?
What are the types of chart of account students? What are the types of chart of accounts? There are three types of chart of accounts like operative chart of accounts, which is for daily basis transactions we can use, country specific chart of So I'm asking which document type is used for vendor account. So vendor payment, which document type is being used? I taught you KA, KR, KZ. So which one? Can you tell me? Hello? Students, am I audible?
KZ.
Yes, KZ. Which is for customer document?
DZ.
DA.
DZ. DA. DA for customer document. DZ for customer payment. Okay. Like simple questions. What is the use of park document? What is the use of park document? Why will park document instead of direct posting? Hmm?
When you're unsure before actually posting the actual,
Like
like,
anyone can define on this? And I'll ask you one thing like, what is the path to create business area? Okay, park document you leave. What is the path to create business area? Means define business area. Hmm? Tell me. No
Ma'am,
answer.
fi-
Go to SPRO
you are asking the
enterprise
path.
structure. Path. Yes, path. Always I'll do by
Path
path
is,
wise.
yes, ma'am. It is the definition, financial accounting, define business area. Uh, yeah, that's it.
Okay. Which are the posting key for debit entries and credit entries?
40 and 50.
40 is for debit entry, 50 is for credit entry, 31 is for vendor invoice, and 01 is for customer invoice. And also you can make a note, 31 is for vendor invoice and 01 is for customer invoice. Clear? Overall, whatever I taught you, I am just revising that. So next is, you need to remember what are the 5 IBM employees, those who have founded. Who is the CEO of SAP? I taught into the presentations. Who is the CEO of SAP?
Christian Klein.
Okay, okay. So next is, there is some more questions related to, okay, cash journal. In the cash journal postings, what entries we can do? In the cash journal posting screen, what entries we can do? Yes, tell me, students. Hmm? What entries we can do in the cash journals? Cash receipts and cash payments. Correct. What is the T code for posting period variant? You need to practice all the T codes practically. Okay. T codes is must. What is the full form of PRP? Hmm? Enterprise Resource Planning. What is the full form of ABAP? ABAP is called advanced. You can write ABAP full form is Advanced Business Application Program. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. SAP stands for System Applications Product in Data Processing. All three definition you should know. Means like full form you should know. ABAP is, I will show you now what is ABAP. So
Can you
ABAP
repeat
is
what's the full
advanced.
form?
I'll show you three full form. I'm going to show you. ABAP. Okay, ABAP. What is that? Advanced. This you can write. Advanced Business Application Program. Okay, what is the full form of ERP? Enter. As SAP is a ERP product. Don't forget that in the first class I told you enterprise resource planning. Clear? Next is what is SAP? SAP stands for, tell me, everyone know this.
System
System,
applications and products.
system applications and product in
Data processing.
data processing. This you never, because you have done SAP data processing. Okay, who is the CEO of SAP? Christian Klein. Which company employees have founded the SAP? That is IBM. IBM. Okay, IBM is the IBM, five IBM employees, former IBM employees. They have into, and SAP is a German language. It's a German language. No? German. It started in the Germany. SAP started in Germany. Okay, so that you don't forget. Next is I have sent the presentations. If you have, you can go through this. And next is what are the things will come in enterprise structure, like define company code, then what is that? Assign company code to company, define business area, the path and all you should know. Okay, posting period variant. Okay, now the question is how many posting periods we have? Even in the few classes before also I asked you how many posting periods we have. Posting period there is
16.
a
Ma'am, 5.
total is 16, out of which 12 is the normal posting period. 12 is normal posting periods. Okay, and 4 is special periods. Special, clear. And next is what is the fiscal year variant? Fiscal year, this is also important. Variant for Indian accounting standard is V3. This and all very important things. Next, T codes all you have to practice. And what I am saying, which is the currency we are using? That is local currency rupees. Okay, we are using local currency rupees. Next is any other questions from your side? Anything you want to
Ma'am, I
ask?
had a doubt in fiscal year variant.
Tell me, what do you want to ask? I
Ma'am,
taught you. Hmm.
for my software, the fiscal year variant is V7, not V3. Is that okay?
Why? No, 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 no. I'll
V7.
go to that. No, no, I'll go to that. One second. SPRO, SFP reference IMG. Fiscal year variant means V3 first you have to select, then you can change it. You understood what I'm
No,
saying?
ma'am, for
Because
me,
V3 is the
yes,
format.
ma'am. For me, the posting
You
months, when I select V3, it is coming July and June. But when I take V7, it is April and March. And
why
when
like
I
that?
took V7, I could proceed till the taxation. I don't know,
One
ma'am.
second. I will check it out. One second. So here, fiscal year posting periods. Okay. So maintain fiscal year variant. I'll show you what are the things are there. Then you will get to know fiscal year variant. So I'll take the position V3. Now see, ma, V3 April to March is there. V6 is June to July. V9 is October to September. VV is April to March. Okay, so we have to select always V3. I don't know how it is displaying for you V7. But V
I shared
whatever
a
is
picture
there,
in the
you
group.
need to type. Whatever is there, you need to select V3 only.
Ma'am,
But
I'll send a
it
picture
is
to you. Can you check in the group?
where you have sent in group you have sent. I'll just
I'll
check it
send it
out.
now, ma'am.
1 second, I'll check. You send, I'll check it out.
Ma'am, I'll send it now. 1 minute.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I have sent in the group. Can you check?
Hmm. Hmm. Oh, this much is showing, but how it is displaying for you? So in that case, what you need to do, you will check VA, which is April to March. Then you can change with
E7.
your variant. But it's never happened. All the students in this will like this because I am saying only four variants will be there. Means default variants is four: V3, V6, V9, and VV. So VV April to March is displaying as it is for me also same. And V9 is displaying October to September. This has maybe someone has edited and tried to did like this. Okay, maybe you have done entry something mistakenly because this is the default one I'm showing you in this. And
No, ma'am.
V7 is not there. Okay, other
When I take
anyone
V3,
more
I couldn't
students can
post,
see
ma'am.
this? It's okay. Anyone more students can send the picture of this fiscal year variant. Type the position V3 and check that what is displaying because in Mantasha it is displaying. It will not display for all. I think so. Maybe some settings because it won't display like that. Can anyone can send the one more picture of this fiscal year variant? So we'll find out that. Okay, done. So anyone can share the screenshot in the group so we can confirm it once. Ayman Fatima has joined today. Other students, have you joined?
Ma'am, I've sent it in the group, say.
Huh. Defaultly it will show only 4. Okay. Defaultly, yes, defaultly Nityashri has sent. Defaultly only 4 variant will display. Maybe it has been created more number of times, that's what it displaying. Because freshly if you click on this, you don't go through the company wise, just go the freshly, like I've not selected any company. I just went to the fiscal year variant and I opened that V3. So only 4 it is displaying.
I did the same thing, ma'am. I just opened the fiscal year variant, and this is the thing which is displaying.
But it is the last solutions, you can see that, because one more students has done. Who and all getting like this? Mantasha, no issues. You can check it and you can rectify. Not an issue. Maybe you have created number of times, so it is displaying like this. But this is the default one. See, I have not selected any company code also. Just I went through the path and maintain fiscal year variant, and positions I have given V3. What
Yes, ma'am.
Nityashri has said, same things I
But
did.
when I take
Okay,
revision,
so don't
I
worry about this. Nothing will
for them.
happen. But thing is, I'll tell you what is the things is there. If I'll click on this, if you have periods, okay, is it displaying for you? V7, you check it out. Is it all displaying? Means everything is fine. You can change the variant because V3 I'm not going to use. I need to change for this. Just like I have taken 28 or 18 or something like that. Any I have to change with my company number. But V3 is the format. What I'm saying, V3 is the variant, not format. Is the variant. See, if I'll click on this V6, what is displaying? It is showing this is different months. Okay, so this is 10th, it is starting 1 2 3 4, it is 10th, all this thing is starting, because it is what, June to July. Okay, so it is from taking from July, sorry, July to June. So 7, this I have to match. It does not mean that see, this is April to March again. If I click on this and I'll double click on the periods, what is displaying? As it is our April to March is displaying. This is the most important things. What variant you are selecting? Clear? So, what is my suggestions? You should not, because V3 according to the Indian accounting standard, V3 we are using. Okay, and V6 do not see. If I click on this V9, if the period is mismatched, then your transactions will be totally wrong. You're not able to enter any transactions in the current date. So please see that. And April to March, where you are telling V7, just select this and double click on periods. See that everything
Yes,
is fine,
ma'am.
means it's okay. You
Yes,
just
ma'am. It
change
is
the
from 10.
variant, any number, 2 digit you give. Is it displaying like this?
Yes, ma'am. Same thing.
April to
From
March?
10. Yes, ma'am.
Then need not to worry about this. You need not to just you select this. Suppose VV selected. Okay, so what you have to do, copy here, just change the variant, save it.
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing will
Yeah,
happen.
this I got
But
it.
your this should correct. It should correct. Then you need not to tense or worry about this. It will be correct. But my thing is always it should show April to March. And
Yeah,
12
that is
posting
correct.
periods, normal posting period is 4. See here, this is the normal posting as someone something is displaying. Do not select that. That is the reasons I'll always select V3. So, that is correct means the transactions will be correct also. When you will post any entries, you will not face any problem on that. Clear? Apart from this, any other doubts? Mantasha, doubt has been clear. You are any doubt, students? Related to anything, today is the last class, so you can clarify all the doubts related to AP, means accounts payable, accounts receivable, GST. What is the tax code? What is the T code for tax code creation? Recently we did. What is the T code for tax code creation in GST?
FTXP.
FTXP. Don't forget. Chart Check once. Check and tell me. You have the time, check once. Go to the software. Okay, why do we use documents to record information?
Ma'am, you're not audible.
Yes, students, any doubts is there today, you can ask me. Hmm? Yes, you have any queries? Do you want to ask anything? Any other doubt, students? Okay, so no doubts. Hello, am I audible? Could you respond if I am audible? But you are not asking any questions. Any concept you want, I will explain. So you can type in chat box. Hmm? Your silent students ask anything if you want. Ma'am, can you please explain us about the exam? It will be MCQs. Nothing to worry. It will be MCQs. Like whatever things I have asked, like that questions, direct questions will come. Full forms and this one T codes, like this it will ask. Very simple questions. You'll be able to do that. Lot of procedures you have done, lot of practice you have done. So you can, no, what I am asking, maybe after this will not be in contact. So you can just ask about the software. Anything you are not able to post or anything you are not able to do in this software. Software related any doubts is there, you can ask today. Accounts receivable, accounts payable, okay. Document number range, vendor accounts. This is all you can do. We have recently done. So after you have to create vendor accounts, create number range. You have all installed the software. Whenever you free, you can do this. Practice again and again. It will be very good in the future. Okay, here we have options like display image, SAP Easy Access screen. You can go to the display image. Okay, so what is my point? Like any T code you are using, you have to first go to the T code bar. There is the T code bar. So whatever T codes we have used, that will be saved in the T code bar. Suppose you are directly going to the 52, it will take you to that 52. So you forget, suppose you can directly click on this and you can reach by this. The T code wise is very important to do that. Like OBC4. If I'll do OBC4 double click, you can jump to this. All the T codes, whatever you have used, it has been saved. Slash n OBVP just like we have done. Okay, so if I'll enter, it will take you to that place. In the real time work, we need to use T code on this. Just like I'll do slash n OX15, just like I told before starting. When I started the class, I'll ask you. So this is a like changing partners, all this thing. My company creation screen slash n. I asked you, I have not answered slash n OBA3. That is for what? That is for customer and vendor tolerance group. Okay, slash n OBA4. That is for what is that? Tolerance group for user means employees. This tolerance group and that tolerance group is little different. When you click on this here, 9, 11 times 9, 9 times 10% discounts. Why the tolerance group is used? In a companies, there is a different sections, different departments, account departments will be there. For them, we are setting the credit limit for the customer. How many, up to what amount a person can be posted document? Senior manager, junior manager, senior accountant, junior accountant, like this will be there. So there is a limit to post the documents. Like I told you in that class also, junior accountant can post up to 50,000, senior accountant can post up to 1 lakh. A CEO can post the documents up to 50 lakhs or 1 crores, like that. So that is called tolerance for and loans. And you can read about one's retained earnings account, which is also important. Retained earnings account belongs to the which account? Profit and loss account. Okay, profit and loss account. What shows the net profit and net loss of the business? Return earnings account is used to maintain the balance carry forward. Last year closing balance will be the this year opening balance. So this is called balance carry forward. For that we are using return earnings account. Clear? So slash and FBL1N. Can you answer me? Slash and FBL1N is for what? This T code is used for what? Slash and FBL1N.
Vendor line item display.
Yes. Slash and FBL5N. 5N is for customer line item display. Slash and FBL3N is for GL line item display. GL is for 1N or 3N. You need to check. 5N is for customer line item display. Why line item display? After posting the entries, after making the payment, you can check the reports on this particular, what is that, by using this T code. So that is called line item display. Entire report will generate. Okay. Any other questions? Any other queries? I am only asking. Huh? You can ask from your side also, students. No questions? Hmm? So anyone wants to ask any questions? No?
Ma'am,
Feedback form. So fill the feedback form.
ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, after the classes, ma'am, after this is the last class, no, ma'am. If I have
Hmm.
any doubt, ma'am, if I wanted to learn still more, like I missed some topics, no, ma'am. If
Kushi, okay, I met you. Yes, yes.
ma'am, so I can come to you and I can learn, ma'am. Is that possible?
Yes, you can join here also. See, we have SAP other modules also. Yeah. So you already visited the center. Students, those who want to learn something more about SAP, some other modules you can join like MM or something in the centers. You have learned SAP FICO, that is financial accounting. But if you want to don't left that meeting now. Still 7:30 I'll be here. Okay. Then you can visit the centers NICT Jayanagar and you can inquire about the courses and you can join also. Here we have a software. You can learn and you can get the knowledge.
okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So fill the feedback form and send it back. Now I'm going to send. Just fill that. It is little fluctuating the internet today. So I'm going to share this. And please ready for the exam, students. Before exams, that's what I am asking. If you have any doubts, you can ask me now. If you are happy with this classes, the sessions, this journey, then fill the feedback and submit that. It's an online feedback. So 1 minute, I'll send it here. One second, I'll just link. I'll send it, not that. One second. Hmm. So this is the feedback from students. Fill this and you can submit. Read the questions properly, but it will ask you with the Gmail link. Please connect to your link and please give your valuable feedback if you are happy with those classes. If you are able to understand, see all the questions and fill the feedback and submit. Once it submit, please respond in the group that you have submitted. You can take the submitted that screenshot and you can send in the group. So we can conduct the exam for tomorrow. till 7:30 I'll be online here. So, any other queries, students? Fill the feedback form and send your response in the group. Those who want to join any other course related to SAP, as it is SAP FI has completed for the college, still you have interest on this journey is not finished yet. You have a long way to learn some things in life. Okay, so if you want to learn any other modules like material management, just like I told you what are the SAP functional modules, SAP financial accounting and controlling. Next is SAP material management, SAP sales and distributions, production and planning. Okay, so if you have interest on any metal, I can suggest you. If you are interested, then you can join. You can visit the center at NICT Jayanagar. If you want to learn any other course, you can join and inquire for that. Okay, few students for installations they have come and they have visited, but still welcome for every students. You can visit and you can join the any new course which will be useful in the future. At last I want to tell that things, as Kushi asked me that wants to learn something more. I'm so happy for this. So that is the things.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, not only Kushi, I am asking to all students. You are always welcome to NICT Jayanagar for any other further studies, further course you want to join. You'll get discounts and all. As you are our students, we have taken classes for you. So that is the things. Okay. Any other thing you want to ask after this? Directly, I'll be sending the link tomorrow. So this is the only one day which we can interact. We can communicate here now. I have already discussed, Mary. today. What are the things I told you? All these things I have discussed already. Like direct questions will come. It is not like very difficult and all, but it will all directly. It's all accounting software. It's a direct questions. So basically, T codes and common simple questions it will come like park document, post documents. I discuss also fiscal year variant, posting periods, what are the posting keys, like this and all common. Whatever you have done practically, all these things is important. I cannot skip one particular topic also. From the beginning to till end, I cannot skip one particular topic that I can tell how it is not important. Every each and every points, whatever I have taken classes, each and every points are important. So you can practice with perfectly and take the exams tomorrow. 30 hours is going to complete. Exam will be 1 hour, students. Do not hurry up. And aram se you study the question, read the questions, think and answer. Okay, not like it is MCQs are tuck tuck means I'll click the answers, I will send it. Not like that. You have to understand the questions and you can do it. There is no like transactions entry or theoretical like writing questions will come. Not like that. It's all clicking, choosing the options. Okay, so you don't think that it will be asking my transaction entry or some calculations. Not like that. Calculations also will not come. So very simple objective type MCQ test. That's all. Okay. Those who have done, you can forward in the group that you have sent. So we can little more. We can pin this. Okay. So from my side, I want to ask students. This is for company. From my side, I want to ask your. I want your response in the group that those who have understood, those who are satisfied, you can put your response as you like. Okay. So, because from personally, I am asking you, how is the class? Have you understood all the classes? Have you go through this all the videos? Okay. So you can write some sentence on this group. So I want that also. This is for company purpose, which link has been sent. But personally, I'm asking you like if you are happy with this teaching, so you can put the response here in the WhatsApp group. How was the class? Like this you can write. Meryl Quinn. Who is that? Student. Okay. No issues. Okay. And one more finally I want to tell you that uh, now everyone is able to work on the software. No, first we have faced some problems like it was getting logged or some things. So please do very carefully the softwares, and that only I want to suggest because for lifetime you can use this. If you are not giving any wrong things, password and all, it will be full lifetime. You can use this software. Okay, and it's very good to learn another modules I told you like metal management or some other things. You can join for that. Okay. One more questions. In which things we are working on this? That is called virtual machine, VM workstations. Remember that? So virtual machines we are working on this. That VM full form it will ask. That is called virtual machine. So VM full form what is that? I'll just mention here. That also you should know on that. Okay. VM. We are working on VMware. Okay. So it is called virtual machine.
Ma'am,
Because little bit, the internet was fluctuating. So this is the last our session. Is this audible to all? Because few minutes it was disconnected. So I've connected once again. Just we have a 5 minutes. By 7:25 we can do how many questions in total for the exams? Yes, you will get hardly 60 questions, students. It's a good questions. 60 questions you will get in the online exam. So all will be MCQs. Timing will be 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. 6 to 7. You have to get your all these things. Internet should be correct. Okay, and we have to take online exams for this. Any other queries? Okay. So finally, I want to show you once again, which is I have started the journey of SAP batch. I'll show you once again, like this one. So software, this will move from this. Suspend the guest. Okay. Those who have missed out a little bit beginning classes, what is my I'm thinking? Let's see with those little bit starting look when we have started first time of this. So this we have discussed introductions, ERP. Okay. So this Microsoft, Sys Pro, Oracle, all these things. These are the five IBM employees, those who have introduced this SAP. Christian Klein is the former, what is that? Christian Klein is the CEO of SAP. So SAP, one more thing, students, three-tier architecture. Not, it is not last, but not the least. But what is that? Three-tier architectures. That also important. Your functional modules. So SAP system applications, product and data processing. It's a ERP product. These are the functional modules of SAP. Okay. Next is ASAP methodology. This full form also important. ASAP methodology is called as an accelerated SAP methodology. So here it is includes project preparations, business blueprint, realization, final preparations, and go live. Okay, project preparation is the phase one. This phase sets the baseline. Is we have this is the decision making stage. When a business is going to start, this is the first stage of the decision making. Business blueprint means the mapping of the business, like how the business has to be implemented in the software. Third one is the testing phase, when there is a systems as well as the employees both are getting ready to work on this. Final is the, it's like before go live, this is the final preparations. Everything has to be integrated and set for that. Then we can do the final preparations. Go live means when something is going to happen, like going to production. SAP landscape is also important, students. Like there are three types of server, like development server, quality test, and production server. SAP landscape is includes development, quality assurance, and productions. This we go through this. Development server is the this one, quality assurance. Production server. Okay, difference between the architecture and landscape. This is also small meaning on that. R3 architectures means which we are working on the software that is called GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. Okay, so this is based on applications layer, database layer, all this thing it will include. So I'll show you one. Presentations layer is the where the user will interact with the systems and where we are working on the screen, that is called presentations layer. Input to the application server and receive data for display from it. While a SAP GUI components running, it remains linked to a user terminal sessions. So applications layer is a kernel layer which create a link between the presentations layer and database layer. So database layer where all the data is getting saved. This is the technical things of the SAP. So you can see on the screen right now. Everyone able to see the screen? Everyone able to see the screen? So this is the last and final things I'm going to tell you. SAP GUI, these are called presentation layer, ABAP, application server, and ABAP applications. ABAP is nothing but the applications layer. And database, what we are working on this, all the data is getting saved in the database layer. Okay, this is called your architecture. Suppose I am asking what are the three-tier architectures or three-layer architecture. So presentation, it's a very much important things. Presentation layer, applications layer, and database layer. So next is as it is SAP logon procedure. I told you you have to give username password. This is not to set. Already it is set by the system admin sir. You need to work on this. Enterprise structures like what is that company. One company may have different codes. Students, I told you one company can have multiple codes, okay, and multiple business area, but company will be the same. Okay, so this is also one structure has given business area, client, and go through this all. Here we have a different codes, different business places like different countries or maybe different states or different places. That is called your business area. And this is the main T code. Define company OX15, define company code OX02, assign company code to company OX06, define business area OX03. So this is enterprise structures. With this, credit control area also will come. Okay, so this is all. After this all it will be, we are doing on financial accounting. See, credit control areas like I told you, credit limit, set credit limit for the customer. So this is the credit card centralized, decentralized. So this presentations, those who have, please share. Those who did not get, please share in the group, and you can go through this presentation also. So all important things are there in the presentations, and whatever we have done, every student says note down. Need not to worry. So all the best for the exams, and tomorrow sharp 6 o'clock I am going to send the exam link. Prepare for the exams. Okay, and I am giving you very important instructions. Do not hurry up, like I will finish the exam fast, not like that. So aram se 1 hour exam. Think, decide, just choose the correct options, then click on this and submit. Okay, tomorrow I'll be connect to you, not with the link. Only I'll send the link. I'll be observing in the WhatsApp. Once it is getting done, take 45 minutes, 1 hour, read the questions and do it. Once it is the exam has been completed, you can put your response as a exam submitted. You can type and submit. Okay, so this is all the procedure, students. Any other queries, or we will wind up the sessions for the day? Any other queries? No other queries? All you have understood? Hope you have a bright futures. All the best for the exams. God bless you all. Bye bye.